Hello guys, welcome back to my channel JBR Online Classes. Like, share and subscribe my channel.
Hello everyone. So in this video I'm going to start exercise 16.3 from sum number 32. For the previous one, please check the description box. The link will be there. So here in sum number 32a, in the given figure 1 given below, the points A, B and C are center of arc of the circle of radius 5 centimeter. Okay, 3 centimeter and 2 centimeter. So here A is the center of the biggest circle. Suppose this one as capital R. So here capital R equal to 5 centimeter. Now B is the center of the second one. That means the small circle. This one here uh, in purple one. So this one here B, suppose this one as R1, okay, small R1, and that will equal to here 3 centimeter. And next one point C, that means here C is the center of this circle, the green one, okay. So here you can denote this one as R2 equal to 2 centimeter. Now find the perimeter and the area of the shaded region. So here the perimeter of the shaded region will be, first you have to find out the circumference of the bigger one. Okay, the circumference of the circle with radius 5 centimeter. Then you have to add with the circumference of the radius 3 centimeter and the circumference of the radius 2 centimeter. So here the first answer, the perimeter. So perimeter equal to here pi r as semicircle. So pi r is the circumference of the bigger one. The next one here pi r1 and third one here pi r2. So here pi will be common, then capital R plus small r1 plus small r2 centimeter. Then here 22 by 7, or you can write down this one as 3.14. So 3.14, and here 5 plus 3 plus 2 centimeter. Okay, so 3.14 and into 10, so 31.4 centimeter is the perimeter. Okay, that is the first answer. Now next one, you have to find out the area of the shaded region. Okay, so in that case, first you have to find out the area of the bigger semicircle. Okay, that means the area of the circle with radius 5 centimeter. So that one equal to here half pi 5 square. Okay, then you have to add the area of the smaller semicircle, that means the little one. So here in that case you have to write down pi, then sorry half, then pi, and then r2 square. So here r2 square means write down 2 square. Okay, and then lastly you have to subtract the area of the semicircle with radius 3 centimeter. Okay, so again half pi and here 3 square. So that is your final area. So now half pi is common. So 25 because 5 square. Then here 2 square means 4 and here minus 9. Okay, so that means here you can write down pi by 2 and here 25 plus 4 minus 9, that one equal to here 20. Okay, so 2 cancel out with this one. Pi means 3.14 into 10, so that one equal to here 31.4 centimeter square as your answer. Now the next one, sum number 2. In the figure 2 given below, ABCD is a square. Okay, side 4 centimeter. At each corner of the square, a quarter means 1/4 of a radius 1 centimeter, and the center, a circle, diameter 2 centimeter are drawn. Find the area of the shaded region. So here first, here the side of the square, that one equal to 4 centimeter. Okay, each and every side of the square, that one equal to 4 centimeter, and the radius of each quadrant, that one equal to 1 centimeter, and also the radius of the middle circle, that one equal to also 1 centimeter, because here 2 centimeter diameter is given. So that means here radius equal to 1 centimeter, the middle one. Clear? So now you have to find out the area of the shaded region. Okay, So to find out the area of the shaded region, first here you have to find out the area of the square. So here the area of the square, that is some number b. So here the area of the square equal to 4 into 4. Okay, 4 into 4, and then you have to subtract the area of this 4 quadrant. So here 4 quadrant means 1 by 4, then pi r square means 1 square, as they are total 4 quadrants, so again multiply with 4. Clear? And next again you have to subtract the area of the middle one, the middle circle, that is here pi then 1 square. Okay, pi then 1 square. So now here your value, it's 16, and that one here 4 cancel out. So here pi 1 square means 1, then again pi. So that means here 16 minus 2 pi. 2 pi means here 16 into 2 into 3.14, and that one equal to 9.7. So extremely sorry for that one. It's not 16 into. Here it's 16 minus. So 16 minus 2 into 3.14, that one equal to here 9.72 centimeter square as your final answer. Now the next one, sum number 33. In the figure 1 given below, ABCD is a rectangle. Here AB equal to here 14 centimeter, BC equal to here 7 centimeter. From the rectangle, a quarter circle BFEC, okay, BFEC, a quarter circle and a semicircle DGE are removed. Calculate the area of the remaining portion. That means here you have to find out the area of that portion. Okay. So it's very easy. First here you have to find out the area of the rectangle, and that one is 14 into 7. That is the area of the rectangle. And now next you have to find out the area of this quadrant. Okay, so quadrant means 1/4. That means here 1/4 into pi, and here the radius is 7 for that case. Okay, so that is the here it's 7 square definitely, because r square. So 1 by 4 into pi into 7 square. Now next here you have to subtract again the area of this semicircle. So as here this semicircle, okay, so for this semicircle you have to find out the radius of that one. Okay, you have to just find out the radius of this one. So as here this one BC equal to 7 centimeter, so definitely here EC equal to also 7 centimeter. And as EC equal to 7 centimeter, then definitely DE equal to 14 minus 7, and that one equal to 7 centimeter. So here DE is the diameter, so that means radius of that semicircle equal to 7 by 2. So here the formula, half as semicircle, so pi, and then here 7 by 2 whole square. So here 14 into 7, 98. Here it's pi into 49 by 4, and here it's pi into 49 by 8. As here 2 square, 2 square means 4, 4 into 2, it's 8. So now here you can write down 98, then here pi means 22 by 7, then here 49 by 4, here also pi means 22 by 7, then here 49 by 8. 7 cancel out with this one, here it's 11, here 2, and then again here it's 11, here 4, 7 cancel out with this one, it becomes 7. So that means here 98 minus 77 by 2, and here also 77 by 4. So now here you can write down 98 minus this one here 38.5, and here this one 19.25. So here your final answer 40.25 centimeter square. Now next one, sum number 34. In the given figure given below, the boundary of the shaded region in the given diagram consists of 4 semicircular arcs, the smallest two being equal. If the diameter of the largest one is 14 centimeter, that means radius equal to 7 centimeter, of the smallest is 3.5 centimeter, calculate the length of the boundary and the area of the shaded region. Okay, so that means here 7 centimeter is the radius of the largest one, and here 3.5, So definitely 3.5 divided by 2, that one equal to the radius of the smallest one. So here first you have to find out the length of the boundary. So here the length of the boundary will be the radius, sorry, the circumference. The circumference of the bigger semicircle plus the circumference of the small semicircle and also the circumference of two smaller semicircles. That means, I repeat, first you have to find out the semicircle of this one, the circumference of that semicircle. Then again you have to find out the circumference of that red one, and lastly you have to find out the circumference of these two green one. Okay, purple one plus the red one and plus the green one. So here the circumference of the purple one, that is pi r. Okay, and next the circumference of the red one, that is pi r1, and next one the circumference of that two green one, here 2 into pi r2. So here pi will be common, capital R means here 7, then here r1, here r1 is 3.5 because half of 7, and lastly here 2 r2, that means 2 into here 3.5 by 2. Okay, 2 into 3.5 by 2. So again here 2 cancel out. So pi means here 7 plus 7, that one equal to here 14 pi. Okay, so 14 pi means 14 into 22 by 7. So it's 2, and here 44 centimeter as your final answer. Now the next thing, here you have to find out the area of the shaded region. So first you have to find out the area of the semicircle, that means the purple one. Next you have to find out the area of the red one, and then you have to subtract the area of these two green one. So here as semicircle, so half pi, then capital 7, sorry, it's 7 whole square, not the capital. Then next one here half pi, then here 3.5 whole square, and then here as two semicircle, the smallest one, the green one, so 2 into half, and then pi, here you can write down 1.75. 1.75 means 3.5 by 2, so whole square. So now here you can write down half, then here 22 by 7, and here 7 square. So 7, 1 7 cancel out. The next one here half, then here 22 by 7, and that one equal to here 3.5 into 3.5. Then here 2 cancel out. So 22 by 7, here 1.75 into 1.75. Okay, 1.75. So here it's 2 cancel out with this one, it's 11. So 7 into 11, 77. Next one here 2 cancel out with this one, it becomes 11, and here 7 cancel out with this one, here 0.5. So here you can write down 11. So 11 into zero point 0.5 into here 3.5. So that means here 19.25. And the next one here, as here 1.75 into 1.75, then if you divide it by 7 and then multiply with 2, it becomes here 9.625. Okay, 9.625. So finally your answer here 86.625 centimeter square. Now the next one, 34b. In the figure 2 given below, a piece of cardboard in the shape of a trapezium ABCD. Here AB parallel DC and angle BCD equal to 90 degree. Okay. So here quarter circle BFEC is removed. Given AB and BC 3.5 and DE 2 centimeter. Calculate the area of the remaining piece of the cardboard. Okay, so that means here first you have to find out the area of the trapezium. Okay, so here first you have to find out the area of the trapezium, that one equal to here half into here AB plus DC into here BC. So that means here half into 3.5 plus 3.5, and then here plus 2, then here plus 2, and then into BC. BC means here again 3.5. So that means here half, then here it's 9 into 3.5. So here your answer 15.75 centimeter square. So that is the area of the trapezium. Okay, Now the next thing, you have to find out the area of that quadrant. Quadrant means 1/4, and in that case here the radius is 3.4. So here the area of the quadrant. So area of that quadrant, it's 1/4. Pi means here 22/7, and here r square means 3.5 into 3.5. So that means here 9.625 centimeter square. That is the area of the quadrant. Now if you want to find out the area of the shaded portion, that means you have to subtract 9.625 from the area of the trapezium. So 15.75 minus 9.625 centimeter square, that is your final answer, and it's 6.125 centimeter square. Now next one, sum number 35a. In the figure 1 given below, ABC is a right angle triangle, angle B equal to 90 degree. AB equal to here 28 centimeter, BC equal to here 21 centimeter, with AC as the diameter of the semicircle is drawn, with BC as radius a quarter. Okay, BC as radius a quarter of a circle is drawn. Find the area of the shaded region correct to two decimal places. So first here you have to indicate the shaded region. So this portion is the shaded region. Okay, this one. So you have to find out the area of that portion here. So as here, first you have to find out here the area of the triangle. Okay. So before you find out the area of the triangle, first you have to find out the hypotenuse by Pythagoras theorem. So AC square equal to here 28 square plus 21 square. That means here 1225. Okay, 1225. So here AC equal to root over of 1225. That one equal to here 35 centimeter. Okay, so 35 centimeter is the radius of the, sorry, is the diameter of the bigger circle. So that means here radius, it's capital R, it's 35 by 2. Okay, and the radius of the quadrant, that is small r, that one equal to here 21 centimeter. Okay, I hope it's clear. So now find out the area of the triangle, that is half into 28 into 21. Next, here you have to add the area of this one, the area of this semicircle. So that one equal to here half, then here pi, and then r square. R square means here 35 by 2. So again write down 35 by 2, and then you have to subtract the area of that quadrant. Quadrant means 1/4, so 1/4 into pi, and then here it's 21. So 21 into 21. Okay, so first here it's 14. So now 14 into 21, it's 294. The next one here, half into 22 by 7, here 35 into 35, and here 4, then subtract 1 by 4, 22 by 7, here 21 into 21, 7 cancel out with this one, here it's 11, and that one equal to 2, here also it's 5, here it's 11. Okay, so that means here 294. The next one here write down 19, and here 25 by 4 minus here 693 by 2. That means here 294 plus 481.25 minus 346.25. So here your final answer 428.75 centimeter square. Now the next one, in B, the figure given below ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 8 centimeter. Okay, A, B, C are the center. Okay, A, B, C are the center of the circular arc of equal radius. Find the area of the shaded region correct up to two decimal places. So as here, each and every side of this equilateral triangle, that one equal to 8 centimeter. So definitely here radius equal to 8 by 2. Okay, here the radius equal to 8 by 2, that means 4 centimeter. So first you have to find out the area of the triangle, and for equilateral triangle you know the formula. So here for triangle ABC the formula will be root 3 by 4, then side square means 8 square. Okay, so that means here root 3 by 4, 8 into 8, 4 cancel out with this one, here 16, so 16 root 3 centimeter square. Okay, correct up to 3 decimal places, so write down here 27.712 centimeter square, because you know root 3 equal to 1.732. Okay, now next here you have to find out the area of three equal sector. Then you first you have to find out the area of this sector, then you have to find out the area of this one, and then you have to find out the area of this one. So first one, second one, and third one, area of these three sector. So here your formula 3 into here pi r square, and then here write down 60 by 360. Okay, 60 by 360. Why 60 degree? Because you know each and every angle of a of an equilateral triangle, that one equal to 60 degree. Okay, each and every angle of an equilateral triangle, that one equal to 60 degree. So here 3, then 22 by 7, r square means 4 into 4, and that one equal to 1 by 6. Okay, so 3 cancel out with this one, 2 cancel out with this one, so that one equal to here you can write down for 22 by 7 3.14, and then here 4 into 2 it's 8, that means here 25.136 centimeter square. So here the area of the shaded region 27.712 minus 25.136, and that one equal to here 2.58 centimeter square as your final answer. Now next one, here's some number 36. A circle is inscribed in a regular hexagon of side 2 root 3 centimeter. Okay, side 2 root 3 centimeter. Find the circumference of the inscribed circle. So first here you have to find out the radius of the inscribed circle. So here the radius equal to root 3 by 2 into side of regular hexagon. That means here 2 root 3. So 2 cancel out, here 3 centimeter. So you can easily find out the circumference. So here the circumference equal to 2 pi r, 2 into 22 by 7, then r means here 3. Okay, so that one equal to here 6 into 22, so 132 by 7 centimeter as your answer. Next one you have to find out the area. Area means pi r square, so that means here 9. So here you can write down 22 into 9 by 7, that one equal to 198 by 7 centimeter square as your answer. One, some number 37. So guys, if you like my video, please share this video and please subscribe my channel. So here in sum number 37, in the adjoining figure, a chord AB of a circle of radius 10 centimeter. Okay, of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center O. Find the area of the sector OACB of the measured segment. Take pi, that one equal to 3.14. So as here radius of the circle equal to 10 centimeter, and here the angle at the center subtended by the chord, that is 90 degree. So here you can write down area of the sector. You know the formula, that is pi r square into 90 by 360. So pi means here 20, just write down 3.14. So 3.14, then here r square means 10 into 10, and that one equal to here 1 by 4. So that means here 314 into 1 by 4, so 78.5 centimeter square. That is the area of that sector OACB. Okay, and now again you have to find out the area of the measured segment. Okay, so here the area of triangle OAB, that one equal to here half into 10 into 10, so here 50 centimeter square. So that means here area of the minor segment, so area of the minor segment, that one equal to here area of the sector of the this one 78.5 minus 50, that one equal to here 28.5 centimeter. Okay, that one is the area of the minor segment. Now here you have to find out the area of the circle, that one equal to here pi r square, So that means 314 centimeter square. So here the major segment, very easy, you have to subtract the minor segment from the total circle. So subtract 28.5, here 285.5 centimeter square as your final answer.